Hi, welcome back to eWalls. Okay, now you already have your online course platform. Today, I will show you how you can edit the pages on the website. First of all, you have to log in into the admin panel. Once logged in, on the side menu, go to the pages. This will bring up the page list, all the pages on the website. You can see here the about, cart, checkout, contact, courses, homepage, and other pages. Okay, let's see now. We will edit the home page of the website. So go to the page that you want to edit. For example, here I will edit the home page, and move your mouse to the edit with page editor and click it. This will open up the page editor interface. Okay, on the page editor, you will see on the left side here is the page settings and all the settings available on the page that you want to edit. On the right side, you will see the preview of the actual website or the page that you are currently edited. Okay, let's see. We start from top here. On the page editor, basically you can only edit the page content. Let's say for this one is the title, the button, content, everything. For the top menu here, this one will require you to edit the header area, and at the bottom will require you to edit on the footer area section here. You can access the header and footer by clicking on the orange button here. Okay, for this page, now we are editing the home page. Let's say if you want to change the title, you can simply click on this element, or you can click the blue edit button on the top right corner here. So this will open on the left the setting panel for this element. So here the title, so you can override the title. Let's say we want to change the word learn to something else. Read. Okay, we already changed it to read. Okay, changes will happen in real time. So next, you can also change the size of the title. Okay, next, if let's say you want to change this button now goes to the course page. This is the link. Once the button is clicked, it will open up the course page. Also the button title here, you can change the button title. Let's say browse courses, you can see browse item or something else. Change back to courses. Next, for the highlighted item, this element also we can edit. Simply click on the item. So here you can choose the image that being displayed here, and for the title you can override on this area. This will change the title. So basically on the preview side, the changes will reflect in real time while we are typing the changes while editing the title here. The same will happen on the preview side. Okay, so we remove back, and same goes to the rest of the element. Let's say for this title, you can click on the title. For this image, simply click on the image and the image panel will appear on the left. So to change the image, you can click on the image. This will open up the media library. So this is all the images that have been uploaded on the website, or if you want to replace with new image, you can go to the upload files and select the file that you want to upload, or simply drag and drop the image into this area. For the text item, so you can also change the text. Simply click on the text paragraph here, or click on this blue edit button, and on the left, same as with other elements, you can replace the text content here. Same goes to others. So for this bullet item, so you can edit by clicking the items here, icon list, item 1, change the title inside the text. So this is the icon image. For the item number 2, list number 2, you can change the title here. Same goes with the button and the rest of the item. So basically this is the cost, highlighted cost module. So to edit this, you can click here, and this will what you can change is the appearance of the columns. So if you want to put it in 4 columns, it will show 4 columns. In 3 columns here, or if you want to add more row, you can add 2 row. So it will display 2 row item arrangement. Okay, next for the rest of the section here, it's this one is the spacer item, spacer area. Okay, in this one, the image box, you can edit the image by clicking here, place the image, change the title, change the short description here, and also the link. But now this area, the link is from the button, so you need to click on the button here and change the link here. Alright, same goes to the testimonial section. Click on the title to change the title. For the slide item, you can click the item 1 and change the content. If you want to add more testimonial, you can simply duplicate the same one. So this will make 2 testimonial the same. So you can change the second testimonial to some other wordings. So we remove that, and you can change the testimonial's name here. Okay, that's it for the item that you can add on page. Once done, don't forget to click update, the green update button, so that all the changes can reflect to the actual website. So if you want to preview the page after being edited, click on the eye icon at the bottom here, preview changes. So this will open the actual page on a new tab. So you see here, this is already changed to read. So you can get the overview of all the items that are being changed. Okay, we are going to change back to learn. Alright, and then update, and then we can preview. So now it will display as learn for the site visitors. Okay, back to the top menu. So for the top menu, if the top menu is built using the same page editor, you can see here the orange button say edit header. So you can click on the edit header, and now we can edit the heading item. Same with other elements on the page. Once edited, you can click the update button. Once everything is done, you can go back to the dashboard by clicking the line menu here and click edit to exit to dashboard. Okay, you can go back to the pages list and continue editing the other pages that you want. Okay, that's it. I think I've covered everything about the page editor, how to edit the page. content and change images, text, content, title and others. Okay, we'll see again in the next video tutorial on how to manage your e-course platform. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if these videos do help you. Okay, thank you and see you later.